Still stuck with ordinary earbuds? It's time to level up. Galaxy Buds Core bring clear, powerful sound, essential noise control, and a lightweight, comfortable fit made for everyday use. In this video, we'll quickly explore their key features and how they perform in real-world listening. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Buds Core with a wireless charging case, extra ear tips, and user manual. Want to grab the Galaxy Buds Core from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Designed for all-day comfort, Galaxy Buds Core features silicone wingtips for a pressure-free fit. Whether you're relaxing at home or jogging around the park, Galaxy Buds Core stays in place while feeling light and comfortable. Controlling your playlist just got easier. Simply connect your earbuds, keep your smartphone in your pocket, and pause your favorite song with a single tap. Then, play on by using the same gesture. Kick back and let your music take center stage. Active noise cancellation reduces unnecessary noise, creating a quiet space to listen to the latest hits or to your favorite podcasts. Hear and be heard with crisp, clear calls wherever you go. The 3 microphones work in unison to capture your voice with precision, ensuring your words can be heard crystal clear. Enhance your Galaxy AI experience with Galaxy Buds Core. Now, supporting interpreter, hear translations on the spot without needing to look at the screen of your smartphone. Keep your earbuds on and stay engaged in your conversation while Galaxy AI provides translations in real time. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Galaxy Buds from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Android only. It allows you to manage settings, customize touch controls, and install firmware updates. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Galaxy Buds. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Buds Core. See you in the next one.